Hello friends, நாம் இப்போ class 10 unit 1 laws of motion lesson ஓட textbook evaluation பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. Inertia of a body depends on mass of the object. Impulse is equals to change of momentum. Newton's third law is applicable for a body is at rest for a body in motion. Both A and B only for bodies with equal masses. Here the correct option is both A and B. Plotting a graph for momentum on the y-axis and time on x-axis, slope of momentum time graph gives force. In which of the following sport the turning effect of force used? Cycling. The unit of G is meter per second square. It can also be expressed as Newton per kilogram. 1 kilogram force equals to 98 into 10 power 4 dyne. The mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as m kilogram. When it is taken to a planet of radius half of the Earth, then its value will be m kilogram. If the Earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same. The weight of a body on the Earth will increase by 300%. Project the rockets. Which of the following principle or principles required? Newton's third law of motion, Newton's law of gravitation, law of conservation of linear momentum. Both A and C. Here the correct option is both A and C. Newton's third law of motion and law of conservation of linear momentum. Fill in the blanks. To produce a displacement, force is required. Passengers lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by inertia of motion. By convention, the clockwise moments are taken as negative and the anti-clockwise moments are taken as positive. Gear is used to change the speed of car. A man of mass 100 kg has a weight of 980 Newton at the surface of the earth. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the statement if it is false. The linear momentum of a system of particles is always conserved. The given statement is false. The linear momentum of a system of particles is always conserved when no external force is applied. Second, apparent weight of a person is always equal to his actual weight. The given statement is false and the correct statement is apparent weight of a person is always not equal to his actual weight. Third one, weight of a body is greater at the equator and less at the polar region. The given statement is false and the correct statement is weight of a body is lesser at the equator and great at the polar region. Turning a nut with a spanner having a short handle is so easy than one with a long handle. The given statement is false and the correct statement is turning a nut with a spanner having a long handle is so easy than one with a short handle. There is no gravity in the orbiting space station around the earth, so the astronauts feel weightlessness. The given statement is false and the correct statement is astronauts are falling freely around the earth due to their huge orbital velocity. Match the following. Newton's first law, stable equilibrium of a body. Newton's second law, law of force. Newton's third law, flying nature of bird. Law of conservation of linear momentum, propulsion of a rocket.